Welcome to our culinary guide on cooking Saudi Arabian Meshaltet. Meshaltet, a traditional flaky and layered bread, is a beloved staple in Saudi Arabian cuisine. It's known for its buttery layers and is often served with honey, cheese, or jams. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, warm water, salt, sugar, yeast, and a generous amount of butter or ghee. The key to meshaltet is in its layers, which are created by folding the dough with butter. Begin by activating the yeast. Mix the yeast with warm water and a pinch of sugar, and let it sit until it becomes frothy. In a large bowl, combine the flour and salt. Add the yeast mixture and knead into a smooth dough. Let the dough rest until it doubles in size. Once the dough has risen, divide it into small balls. Roll out each ball into a thin sheet, almost translucent. Brush each sheet generously with melted butter or ghee. Then fold it into layers, similar to puff pastry. This folding process is what creates the flaky texture of meshaltet. After folding, roll out the dough again into a circular shape. Cook the meshaltet on a hot griddle or pan until golden brown on both sides. The bread should puff up, revealing its layers. Serve the meshaltet warm. It's delicious when drizzled with honey or served with a side of cheese or jam. It's a versatile bread that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Enjoy your homemade Saudi Arabian meshaltet, a delightful bread that's as enjoyable to make as it is to eat. It's a perfect introduction to the rich and diverse world of Saudi Arabian cuisine.